I got ID picking up them beers before, mate. I swear down it. Welcome back. So it's been a couple of days since I last seen the car. He's had a couple of hours here and there, Roger has on it. He's flattened a few things off with a bit of wet and dry so you can sort of see where there's any dents, dinks that need pulling out by body panels. So there's a few down this. If you can pick them up on the light, there's one just there. See that? So as soon as he's run it flat, it stands out a lot more. So it helps you see what you're looking at really. And then what he has done as well underneath is he's given it another coat of spray. And what else would you use other than post office red? It's not a bad match actually. He's with the customer at the moment. We'll go and catch up with him as soon as he's back. And we shall see what today's plan is. We didn't see under the bonnet last time because it was dark and we were both tired. This is the cross member that's been done, welded, and that one's still original. So you can see where he's cut in. And then put bonding over the weld. What do they call it? Seam seal?
Yeah.
Seam seal over the welds. So to rebuild all this. First mission, try and get a bonded windscreen out. Roger's favourite subject. Nothing there, mate. Or was it just cutting that easy? Can't be that easy. Nothing's that fucking easy. I love the bulges on this bike. It's like a pair of breasts. You just want to caress them. That's it, go on.
Yeah. Where are you going? Straight over?
Where do you want to go? Towards the bonnet, then? Oh. So you can see where the cheese wires cut straight through it. It's actually quite easy once we got the hang of it. Then all this sealant will have to be pulled off on it, ready for the new one. Worked well, didn't it? You want to dynamat it, do you? Yeah.
I was thinking about it.
£300. That's what
I've got no soundproofing now, and it's got to be alright. So I'm going to soundproof, then put some like material down so it's a bit cushy.
I know exactly what you mean. Yeah. You could literally use
These are
underlay. Underlay's cheap as chips, mate, for carpets. Like.
It's an idea.
It's, you know what I mean? You wouldn't need much, would you?
No.
Like what are these? Like they didn't go that way, so. You see what I mean? Whereas these here definitely went this way.
That's the electric windows.
So if I bang some tape around here, we know that that's there, yeah.
Fuck me, mate, I can't remember shit.
Well, that's all from the centre console then, that, isn't it?
Yeah, electric windows go there.
Ah, that's what it is, yeah. That's what we need, mate. We need a torch. We can follow the cable, follow them all the way back and chop them, like, it's not a problem. So managed to disconnect all the wire into the alarm now. It's like deja vu, mate, lifting these out. We just hope that the fucking thing starts again. Because that ain't working no more. You know it's been done by a proper auto electrician.
Yeah, I always fucking Scotch.
When they use them Scotch things, yeah. 2 for 1 at Alfred's.
Yeah, it's just gone.
Looks mint under these arches now. Now he's been over it with that postman spray. Royal Mail red. Hey, Rocky the recovery truck. Roger had it fucking sideways round a roundabout with me in it the other day. All I can say is thank fuck me fucking car wasn't on the back. Fucking lunatic. Fucking. He's doing the jiggy jig, look. You want to see his moves on the dance floor. Nice one, dude.
You've got a problem.
What's that?
Before I stripped the car,
Yeah.
because the windows never worked on it.
Right.
The windows are down.
Yeah.
You took the door down, opened the door locked up.
Yeah, and you can't do that with the windows down.
Yeah.
That is a bit of a problem, isn't it? They can't do, people start talking then. That garage down the road, mate, all they do is drink beer all day and fucking make videos.
Put them back on.
Still got them, have you?
No, I dropped them.
Love it, mate. I love it.
Standard airbox, chopped it.
Yeah.
All the old stereos, fuck that, so you need to take the player.
Yeah.
Chuck it, it was a fucking 80, 90 quid now.
Yeah, I know. Somebody tried to sell me one. Someone messaged me saying, "Are you interested in stereo?" I says, "No, mate, I'm looking for a door." I said 200 quid to buy the seat. Then he messaged me 10 pictures of the seat. So I sent him 10 pictures of a £20 note, and then he never messaged back.
Hello!
Is it off? Hey. You haven't cut your hand with it, have you?
No.
Well, looking at the blade, I'm not surprised you didn't cut your hand with it. It's fucking blunt as shit.
What's wrong with that?
We've actually fucking got something working for once.
Okay, yeah. You don't work in fuck knows how many years.
Is that all the way up?
Yeah.
You know. There you go, blue is negative, green is positive. So just nick the wires there and there, just so we could tab on. You can see that.
Am I 35 this or 36?
So, you know you're getting old, you need to know how old you are. But for the channel's sake, we're trying to get into Instagram, see how that works, get ourselves on there, and onto Facebook as well, which is why we appreciate it when you, the subscribers, do share our stuff on your social media accounts, because obviously it does get us some extra viewers, which we're very thankful for.
No. Get the blow ready here tomorrow. Might paint inside here tomorrow.
You gonna give it a blow job, eh, lad?
Fuck me, Bonnie!
Is it up, yeah?
Yeah, not fully up, but it is.
It's close enough. Yeah, we need to sell this one, mate. I told you before, like, this is your project. Great news, eh? Because we've got somewhere new to live. Oh, where are we living, what? In this red Escort. He's undoing the 4 bolts that go straight into the chassis, these ones. So now it's hanging on the 2 struts. So he wants to drop this out so we can paint the whole back axle before it goes back onto the car. So it'll look sweet. Hang on, you need me to take the weight, don't you?
No, because that cap is broke. You get the moldings on that. Is that turning the other side? I can't see from here.
Yeah.
They're both broken. How brilliant is that?
Hang on, mate, we're in a bit of a fucking pickle here. Give me 2 seconds.
I don't want to be hearing that.
No. It's all right, Rog, don't worry. Right, you can go up now, mate, yeah. So we've done a bit today. We've tidied up the wiring in there, haven't we, a little bit? Just so now Rog can lift it out of the way when he wants to give it a quick coat of paint before it goes to the actual spray painters. Managed to get these motors up. Let's get the glass out the way so we can get the handles off on the outside. And the locks out. We've got to get the mirrors off yet as well, haven't you, Rod? The trim's off as well, isn't it now? All the way around. We've got the windscreen out as well. Forgot about that. Managed to do the windscreen, which is a fucking bit of a mission, wasn't it? So now he's got the rear axle off, which is his main mission for today. So we can clean that up, paint that up, ready to go back on. He wants the rear axle black, but then where it does fix on these up to the car, he's going to treat all that and obviously put that red. And then up where the suspension used to sit, he can spray behind there now as well. Why didn't you close the video this time, Rod? Yeah, so hopefully we'll have a few more hours on the weekend on the car, and we'll have a new video for you on the weekend as well. So again, if you've enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button, and we'll catch you on the next one.